Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will know that what are the side effects of Viagra. Viagra contains sildenafil which is used for the treatment of erectile dysfunction. Viagra is also called blue pills. Viagra should be taken 30 minutes to 1 hour before sexual activity. There are many side effects are reported while using Viagra tablet. Number 1, chest pain. Number 2, headache. Number 3, blood pressure changes. Number 4, feeling tired. Number 5, stomach acidity and ulcer. Number 6, liver and kidney problems. Number 7, dizziness. Number 8, back pain. Number 9, myalgia. But there are some conditions in which we need to take special attentions. Number 1, if your erection is painful and lasts for 4 hours. Number 2, blurred vision or vision loss. Number 3, loss of hearing. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.